Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging, opening, whatever it is called, the May Earfleek. So I got this in the mail. This is a monthly subscription, which is a pair of earrings. It costs us $3.49, and they charge you on the 15th, and pretty much on the 15th they do ship these out. And then between 3 to 7 days you'll have a new pair of earrings. And no, lately I haven't been very impressed with what I've got, so I'm hoping this month it's like totally different, because I want to show you guys another pair of earrings I actually ordered off eBay for like $1 or something. Okay, so first thing we see is our card. You get one of these every month, which is really just telling you about Earfleeks. It tells you if you need support. Did you know? Swap through our inventory and get what you love. That is what I need to start doing, because lately I haven't got anything. I mean, they've been broken, they've been just fuzzy, and I don't know. I'm not been very impressed. But I did give it a try out. Another try this month. Actually, I keep forgetting about them. And the envelope always looks the same. It is cute. Okay. Ooh. Okay, guys. Here's my earrings. They are pink. Something like I've got the last few months, and it's got this little black, no, green. That's green. Okay. So, there they are. Me, alcohol wipe. So let's try them on and see. I don't like them, and I don't really see myself really like. Let me see. Probably should have put them on the other ear. Okay. I don't know. They could be fun. What do you guys think? Okay. So these was $3.49 for something I know I'll probably never wear, and why I don't cancel Earfleek is beyond me. I was getting like really good earrings. I really need to go through. That's what I'm going to do. After I film this, I am going to go to their inventory and pick what I like. And let's see if it makes a difference. Okay. So, I mean, I only got like $2 in these. Look at these. These are gorgeous. I was going to get the rose gold ones, but I ended up with these. And I just ordered these off eBay. It takes like 21 days to get them, but really it's about the same with like Earfleek too. So, I mean, which one would you prefer? Pink fuzzy hairy things, or these? These are like, and you could really just like, if you didn't want the other piece, you could just take this off and wear it as like one. I first seen these and I thought about them, and it was like the rose gold ones I wanted, but then I ended up just like seeing the blue ones, and they was just like called my name, I guess. But they wasn't even like $2. And I fell in love with them, and I'd rather spend, yeah, because I get earrings on eBay all the time, anywhere from 20 cents to $1, $2. Normally I don't go as high like I did with these. It's just these I really wanted, and I couldn't find them for a bed. And so I just went ahead and bought them. But it is fun to be surprised with what you get. So I guess really it's just up to the individual. I am going to go through the inventory and see what they've got and swap to tell them what I like and what I don't like, and maybe start getting stuff that I might actually use, because I really don't want to get stuff that I'm not going to use, because I've got enough junk and I really don't need no more. But I will leave the link down below for Earfleek. I mean, they're not really that bad. It's just that lately I haven't been getting anything I like. Because, you know, personally, some people do like these. And these are kind of cute and fun. And I'm sure somebody would love them. But everybody's got different tastes and different styles. And this is something like that is more me. So I'm going to try it again next month. But I'm going to go ahead and do their little thing. But I guess that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate that a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.